Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 2. So, this past week, we had the opportunity to examine foundational theories, ethical theories, as well as ethical principles. And we are headed into week 2, and we are going to be looking at chapters 3 through and chapters 4, as well as chapter 6 in the Tobin and Tyler textbook, as well as Healthy People 2030, specifically the social determinants of health. The topics of focus include discrimination as well as bias. Both discrimination and bias prevent us from achieving the democratic ideas of health equity and health equality and justice upon which our nation was founded. My hope is that by the end of this unit, you will leave with a better understanding of both implicit and explicit bias. Unfortunately, implicit bias is a key mechanism people use to excuse discrimination among various groups, including those in poverty. I would encourage you to think about what are some interventions that can be implemented to decrease implicit bias in the healthcare setting. I would also encourage you to think about the no duty to treat principle, as well as the exclusion of poverty from protection under the Constitution, and what those mean to you and the populations that you serve. How can we grant poverty special status? How do we take time? We need to take some time to discuss the negative constitutional rights, the positive constitutional rights in the United States. What are the objections and how do we address those objections? So those are some of the topics for this week. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Again, there is a discussion for Module 2. I would ask that you respond to the discussion prompt and then you respond to 2 peers postings. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.